A warm welcome to all the viewers for the course Strength of Materials. Myself Thiapal, Assistant Professor of Department of Mechanical Engineering, JIS College of Engineering, is going to give a brief introductory lecture on today's topic, that is on properties of material. Well, this is the first lecture probably for the subject Strength of Materials, and the most important thing is that before we go with the topic properties of material, it is very essential for us to know that what is strength of material. I mean to say, why we are going with the strength of material. So first thing is that it is very essential for every student, or it is very essential for everyone to know the properties of material. Because if you are not aware of the properties of material, if you are not aware of the strength of material, then it will be difficult for you people to construct or to produce any design of any product. Because whenever you are performing any sort of design of a product, it is very essential for all of us to know that whether it is going to fail, that product, when we are implementing certain type of load. I mean to say, there comes the theories of failure. So if I want to know the reason that why the machine is getting failed, or why it is unable to resist the load, then obviously we should know the resistance power of the material too. So why we are talking about today properties of material? Because whenever we are selecting any product, that I need to make this type of production, then the most important thing is that you should know that the basic thing is the requirement of the material. So whenever you are selecting any sort of material to produce any sort of job or product, it is obviously for all of us to know that what is the strength of that material, whether the material is ductile or the material is brittle, okay. And you should know that what is the toughness of that material, what is the hardness of that material, how much impact load it can resist, when that material is going to get fail. So everything it is essential for us to know before we are producing any product or before we are selecting any material for generating that product. So strength of material is basically here in this content or today's lecture, it will be cover up that how you are going to know the properties of material. I mean to say, what are the various processes that have been involved to find out the hardness, the tensile strength, as well as the toughness of that material. How you are going to decide it? So today in this particular lecture we are going to discuss with the various properties of material. For example, ductile, malleability, brittleness, hardness, toughness, creep. So these are the various properties of material that we are going to study in today's lecture. So I would like to request all of you that go through the online link for visiting my video regarding today's topic, that is properties of material, which is one of the part of module 1 for the subject strength of materials. Thank you.